when I was reading the script, I was like, oh my god, I'm so gonna perform this character because she's so different from whatever I have done till now.
In the show, that Tara have all the red flags, but that guy is still madly and like head over heels, for her.
जब आप ये रिवेंज वाले सर्कल में फंस जाते हैं ना, you are just not coming out of the loop. Hello, I'm Surbhi Jyoti.
Hi guys, my name is Zainabad Khan and आप हमें देख रहे हैं फिल्मी पर.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Filmy, and today I have with me Surbhi Jyoti and Zainabad Khan. A very warm welcome to Filmy, guys.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
I watched the trailer, loved it. What drove you to this show?
This only. That the character is so different. When I was reading the script, I was like, oh my god, I'm so gonna perform this character because she's so different from whatever I have done till now. And it's in a grey space, so she's not typically a heroine. Jo come what may, she's gonna do right. So that's what made me do this character.
What about you, Zain?
Same thing here. I love the story, and as I'm just saying this, every day about the character I'm playing. Like I really, I think connect with Shiva so much, and I think obviously I am Shiva. That's why I have been chosen for this particular character.
This is your comeback again on Hotstar.
Absolutely.
And for you, I have to say, it's a circle again. Tanhaiya was there, and it's one of my most favorite web series. It's so emotional.
That's good.
I love that series. Talking about Guna again, do you guys believe revenge is जैसे बोलते ना प्रतिशोध ही है? Do you guys believe in the tagline of this? No,
I
personally don't. Okay.
Yeah.
Justice, revenge.
Yeah, no, प्रतिशोध
It
मतलब
depends गुनाह किस level का हुआ.
See, मुझे ऐसा लगता है
It
that
depends.
अगर आपके साथ गुनाह हुआ है, गलत हुआ है, somebody has wronged you in a way, you can end that right there when you get to know that the person is cheating on you or doing something wrong. जब आप ये रिवेंज वाले सर्कल में फंस जाते हैं ना, you are just not coming out of the loop.
It's a loop, yeah.
Then you are extending that feeling, what has happened to you. You can cut that knot, cut that tie right there and move on.
Right. But when you're, when you get characters, when you get scripts, and when you start preparing for it, obviously बहुत मेहनत जाती है उसके अंदर. In this particular show I'm talking about, did you find any similarities between the characters that you are playing?
Absolutely not. Other than just one part that we both are very emotional. So, but Surbhi has a different way of dealing with her emotions, and Tara, the character that I'm playing, she has an absolute different way of dealing with those emotions. But of course, if you ask about the similarity, they both are very emotional. But emotions को deal करने का तरीका दोनों का different.
Wow.
I also have a lot of similarities from Shiva with Shiva because I think I am that person who is like hopelessly romantic, and I just sometimes I am selfless in love, and I really think that I'm that person that when I'm in love, I don't see anything else. That's I love unconditionally. Like they are not conditions that I will only love if you have all these green ticks, right? So even though if people like in the show that Tara have all the red flags, but that guy is still madly and like head over heels for her.
No, Tara ka betrayal came as a shock for you. She didn't have a red flag because she was also equally in love with Shiva.
I know, exactly. But even after knowing that this girl has done
it was
so much damage to
for him,
but still
Tara can do something.
But he was still like कि okay, now why have you come to meet me again? Please don't say a single word because I will believe you.
Yeah, there was this scene that we did जहाँ पे now he knows that Tara ने मेरे साथ ये किया है. It's a just beautiful scene. She comes to meet him and he says, please कुछ भी और मत कहना. Probably I'll believe again.
Oh,
that's the most beautiful thing of
I know, and I was like, oh my god, it's a beautiful
exactly
scene.
Because even after all the damage, even after all the wrongdoings, all the betrayal,
he says that
मैं
फिर से यकीन कर लूँगा, कुछ और मत बोलना.
Don't say a single word again because मैं फिर तुम्हारी बात मान लूँगा.
Wow, this reminds me of Aidil Mushkil when Aishwarya's character says, "मुझे मत समझाना वरना मैं समझ जाऊँगी."
Yes,
exactly.
This is so deep.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is so deep.
Wow. I was interviewing Mukesh Habla sir, and I was just talking about the actors and television, the general discussion that we were having, and he was like, Surbhi Jyoti is doing really well, and I'm very sure she's gonna make it big, and it's there in the interview.
He's a darling.
Yeah.
He's a darling, and we are actually from the same town.
Okay.
So whenever we meet, and our birthdays are also like it's just
Oh.
1 or 2 days apart.
Okay.
And he's also from Jalandhar. I'm also, so whenever we meet, we talk about all the good food places in Jalandhar, and you know, we talk in Punjabi. And he's a sweetheart. You know, he just called me once also, and at that time I was doing Nagin, and he said that, listen, whatever you are doing, however you are doing, just keep doing that. Don't change anything about, you know, yourself and all. You're just doing good, and
Yeah.
that too from such a great and renowned casting
Yeah,
director.
exactly.
It's a big motivation. Yeah.
Any last message that you have for your fans?
Keep loving me, keep supporting me, trust me. I value your love so much that I cannot express that in words, that how much it means to me. It empowers me, it gives me a lot of strength, and thank you so much for all your love and support.
I would like to say यार मैंने एक सीन में एक शॉट के अंदर मैंने I'm not saying सुरभि ने नहीं करी, obviously सबने बहुत मेहनत करी है, पर मैंने personally I have literally put my heart and soul and everybody into this character, and because I wanted to just I just wanted to be Shiva. मतलब it was my inner calling कि यार no matter what मुझे ना मुझे शिवा जीना है, मुझे शिवा बनना है. मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है इस किरदार के लिए. प्लीज़ मुझे आपने जितना मेरे पहले शो के लिए प्यार दिया था, दैट वाज आल्सो ऑन हॉटस्टार, एंड दिस इज माय कमबैक शो ऑन हॉटस्टार, Disney Plus Hotstar. प्लीज़ वॉच माय शो. इट्स अ डेली ड्रॉप, एंड T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी आ रहा है, दैट इज आल्सो फ्री ऑन मोबाइल. सो आफ्टर दैट, बिफोर दैट, यू कैन वॉच गुना ऑन Disney Plus Hotstar. It's free on mobile phones.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I love the plug-in.
I know, right? Yeah.
And on that note, thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us. It
Thank
was
you so
pleasure talking to
Same.
you.
Likewise.
Thank
I hope we meet again soon for maybe further seasons of the show.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.